36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the People versus Prentice Davis, ticket number P1330721, count one, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Counsel. Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Dwayne Johnson, P41842. On behalf of Mr. Prentice Davis, we are waiving an in-person appearance at this time and are willing to appear by Zoom. Mr. Davis, can you state your name?
Prentice Davis.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 8:40, 9 o'clock, it is now 10:22. And I know that we did have an officer who checked in, and I'm not exactly sure where he is at this point. Mr. Johnson, I know that you wanted to make a brief record, so I'll give you that opportunity to do that.
Yeah, Your Honor. Yeah, we've been for the longest. My client has been back and forth to court on this matter, and we're ready to proceed. We don't have any discovery, but we're still ready to proceed. And for the officer not to be there, we would ask that this matter would be dismissed.
Response, Ms. Horn?
Okay, Your Honor, the people are not prepared to proceed without our complaining witness at this time. So we are not necessarily objecting, but we're not necessarily agreeing with the motion.
All right, so with that, the court will dismiss this without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Davis. For all set, so thank you again for your patience.
Your Honor, I do want to ask this, is there any way that we can get, and also Ms. Horn may be able to help me with that, some information as to why my client was charged in the first place? Because we want to keep this from happening in the future.
I think from what you've told me, whether it's true or not, but based on your assertions to me off the record, I believe that what you stated is that his wallet was stolen, and you also supplemented that with a police report, and that the people have received. But as to the exact reasoning, I can't answer that.
Okay.
I don't think he was targeted. I think the officer went off of the information that was given to him by the person who our officer was investigating at that time.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Horn, if we can get some more information so we can even take that to the police as to who is doing this to my client, we'd like to have that information as well.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to provide that information. Your client might have to do some investigation of his own in that regard.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for all your diligence, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Prentice Davis, you have a great attorney. He's been really good with communicating with me.
Well, thank you. All right, everybody have a good day now.
You too.
You
Thank you.
too. Nice.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What are you doing with this Medina's client?
A lot this morning, so I'm sorry. So it's going to be a little bit of delay. I have 2 retained counsel in another court in a breakout room, so maybe 15. I can't remember what her case is. She's set for trial.
The officers were here, but they're gone.
They're all left.
Yeah, nobody's.
Okay, well, I guess Miss Medina will be happy. If they're not here, I can't proceed. And if they're not telling me.
They didn't tell you. Miss, hey, Donna, did anybody tell you because there's no more officers, they're all gone. Did they tell you where they were?
No, where they were going, what we did with all of the officers, we dealt with all their matters except for Mr. Davis.
Hill.
Pardon me?
Officer Hill had checked in.
Officer Hill, I didn't talk to Officer Hill.
Oh, that's Ryan Hill's office, but Jessica
Right.
Warfield is here for him. Yep, that's Ryan Hill's office,
So let's
but
bring out Miss Roman then. Miss Warfield, I'm sorry.
because that's a reckless, and the second count judge is state.
So, but nobody showed up.
So, right.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Some of them I have their numbers, but the only one that told me where he was going was Corporal Alexander, and I think we handled
What
his.
about for Ramirez? Is he here? Hi, Ms. Warford, you've been patiently waiting. You've actually waited about 30 minutes longer than what you needed to. My apologies. We're gonna call your case now.
Okay, I still haven't, was the officer here?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
no worries.
All right, this is the People versus Christian Roman, ticket number P 1227316, count 1. Reckless driving, count 2, operate off-road vehicle on public highway. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warfield.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391 on behalf of Mr. Roman, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Roman, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Christian Roman.
Thank you.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:27. No officer has appeared. So you have a motion, Ms. Warfield?
Yes, Your Honor. Today was the time of day set for trial. As you have stated, I am making a motion to dismiss this matter against my client due to the lack of a complaining witness.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Roman. Again, thank you both for your patience.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ms.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ms. Warfield.
No problem, no problem. It's on her a great
Nice to
one.
meet you. Yeah, all right, thanks.
The officer appeared for, Ramirez,
Not his officer, what's the name?
waiver.
I don't
You
recall
never
that.
had a waiver.
Officer Walden did appear for Roman, but he left. And,
Yeah.
and we have no officer for, Ramirez.
Ramirez. But officer for Roman, they never told you where they went, did they?
Right.
Oh, well then, all right. So you're all set, Mr. Roman. You're good, sir.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You forgot Ms.
Yeah,
Medina,
and if they not here.
and they don't say nothing.
This one in person.
Where Ms. Medina go? Well, there's,
Okay, thank you, Judge. Oh, and it was two Derek Duncans, two totally different Derek Duncans,
they're
everyone.
different?
Yep, one is that, Derek Michael Duncan, one was Derek,
Oh, well then he just take you.
yep,
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
yep.
Oh, well then we need to let Mr. Officer Nelson know. Miss Medina, you around? We gonna call your case. What you want me to sign or just? Oh, let me stamp it up. You know what? We can all take it. Mr. Boston, you all set. We done. Ain't nobody coming in.
Y'all have a great day, okay? See you next time.
Thank you. As soon as Miss Medina shows up, we can go on the record. Oh, there she is.
Hi, I am so sorry. Of course, when you guys went to speak with me, I was on the record in Lincoln Park.
That's fine. All right, this is the People versus Alejandro Ramirez, ticket number P 1276435, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driver's license never acquired, and count 3, defective brake lights. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Ramirez. However, I haven't had the chance.
Nope, nope.
Miss Medina, we can't hear you, you're breaking up.
Sworn, I was waiting in that breakout room.
All right, well, this was said for, I don't know, we didn't hear like anything
Oh,
you said,
can you hear?
but I'll just do the talking. So this was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:31. I don't think the officer has appeared. So with that, you have a motion.
I would move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, dismiss without prejudice. Thank you for your patience. You guys are all set.
Thank you for yours